Okay, hello. Good afternoon, guys and everyone. I am Purav. Today I am going to say some interesting facts and some features about the Airbus A380. This is my showpiece Airbus A380. Now, for making it easier for you guys, I am seeing it from the phone and telling the first point. The first point is the Airbus A380 is one of the most iconic aircraft in aviation history. Here are some interesting facts about it. 1. World's largest passenger airliner. The Airbus A380 is the largest commercial passenger aircraft ever built. Second point, it can carry up to 853 passengers in all economy layout through most airlines configure it for around 500-600 passengers with multiple classes. Double-decker design. The A380 has two full-length passenger decks, making it look almost like a flying building. The fourth point, the upper deck stretches along the entire length of the fuselage, unlike the Boeing 747, where the upper deck covers only part of the aircraft. Third, the valid reasons. Massive wingspan. Its wingspan is about 79.75 meters, bracket 261.8 feet, equals to so wide that airports had to modify taxiways and gates to accommodate it. Full stop. Second, the wings are so large they could theoretically hold up to 70 cars on their surface. Fourth, for the valid reasons, as you know, 4 powerful engines. Those who know which company's engines are applied in the Airbus A380, just write it in the comments. Now, the first point of the 4 powerful engines. It's powered by either Rolls-Royce Trent 900 or Engine Alliance GP7200 engines. Second point, each engine is powerful enough to supply energy for a small town. 5. Valid reasons. Incredible range. The A380 can fly about 8,000 nautical miles, bracket 14,800 kilometers, on a full tank. That's about 15 to 17 hours non-stop, depending on conditions.
4 minutes.
Okay. So thank you for seeing my video. Please like and subscribe, and please support our channel to get us to 100 million likes.